We are a contract manufacturer. We do custom design and manufacturing of assembly of electronics. So if someone needs a electronic device design, we can do that on the engineering side. We have a standalone company, SMT Engineering, that does product development. Someone needs it manufactured, then we can do the manufacturing through the corporation, SMT Corp. So we have two companies to keep the costs segregated, so someone has the true cost for design and the true cost for manufacturing. If they want a one-stop shop, then we can seamlessly do both for those customers. So it works very well for us to be able to engage on both sides of the design of a product for somebody. Yeah, you'll technically never see an SMT product because everything we do is design and build to print. So everything we do, the customer owns the IP on. But we're very strong in industrial controls, food service, some aviation and aerospace. We're getting into medical. We have our 1345 certification now for medical work. And we're getting real big into the IoT, Internet of Things. So everything wireless. So we're doing a lot of wireless for customers. That typically is not their core competency. You may have a Manitowoc Ice who does very good with refrigeration and ice machine and so forth, but not really a wireless type company. So then they would look for services from us to help them with their wireless designs. It's not quite the Silicon Valley yet, but there's a lot of electronic manufacturing being done here in Wisconsin, especially up here in northeast Wisconsin. So we like to think that we're becoming more of a technical hub up here. I think regionally people see that, but when you start getting out past the Wisconsin state borders, I think a lot of people don't think of us as being a technology hub. Obviously, Plexus is here, a very large CM global footprint, but their headquarters is here in Neenah. Miller Electric has their own in-house design and assembly as well, so they're doing a lot of electronics. So there's more and more companies that are really kind of setting up their electronics footprint here in Wisconsin. On the manufacturing side, obviously our equipment is getting more technical, just like everybody else's, so good skilled technicians, especially on the test side of the business. But in engineering, obviously we need electrical engineers. That's the core of what we do is electronic design. So getting good electronics engineers is what we're looking for.
Went to Deep High School, graduated in '07. Always really liked math, numbers, science in general. Then went to UW-Madison, started taking the classes. It helped that I was good at it. That was obviously a big plus. But then there was a lot of stuff that you're seeing. I mean, at the time the iPhone had just came out, and so that was something that was kind of cool with touch screens. And electronics that's something where a lot of things are going, and they're becoming everywhere now. So that was something that led me to that. And we did a lot of projects that were really hands-on and stuff that you could relate to pretty easily. And we were doing it, which was a really good thing. Coming out of school, there's a lot of people looking for engineers. The one unique thing about SMT is we don't always make voice recorders, let's say, or camcorders. And every project is different, so it's not it's not the same solution every single time. There's something new and a different way to approach it, and a different set of problems, and every single project that you run into.
On the manufacturing side, we want to continue to grow. As we buy equipment, it's more efficient, so it's not that you need fewer people to operate it, but you can grow exponentially through the equipment. And some of our old machines probably place 18,000 parts an hour. The new ones are placing 50 to 60,000 parts an hour. So that same person can get a lot more work done on these newer pieces of equipment. And that's one nice thing that SMT has done very well over the years, is to continue to invest in technology of ourselves. So we don't want a customer coming to us asking for capacity or technology that we can't handle. So we're continually investing in resources on the manufacturing side and also on resources on the engineering side.